Hello friends, my name is Tushar and today we are going to learn how to run and compile the Java program through the command prompt. So there are two types. When we have the presence of external Java in our program, then we have to follow the different steps. So we are going to just create a Java program and we'll try to run it through the command prompt. So we will first open the command prompt. We will just go to the my computer and we'll put the cmd. It will open the command prompt. Okay, we will first check whether javac command works for us or not. It's working. Let's close this ppd. Now this is the directory you will be able to see, and I'm going to create a Java program, just a simple hello world Java program. So I will just create a Java program. I will give its name as say hello world .java. And I will edit it. So public class world and the simple message we will put system out print the world. I put my name also. We are going to save it and we will close it. We will try to run this Java program. I already opened the command prompt. You can directly put here cmd also. You can open the command prompt directly in this directory. Now we will run this javac command and we will run this program. Okay, you just need to enter the initials and just press tab. It will give the number of classes which are available, number of files which are available in that folder. So I am going to compile this program which I have written. The name of the Java file is hello world, and I have used javac command. Now we did not get any error. That means the program compiled successfully. Now we'll try to run this one. Now to run this, we just need to use Java command and the name of the class. So name of the class is hello world. We don't need to use .class and .java. Okay, so we are able to see the message hello world Tushar. So that means our program runs successfully. Now we'll try to run the one more example. We'll try to compile that program and we'll try to run that program when in your program there is a presence of some external jar. If you are using some classes which requires the jar from the external directory. So what we'll do, we'll try to do that example also. So this is the example 2. I'll just open Edit Plus Notepad. Okay, so if you see this example, it says it's an example name. I have given example 1 with external jar, and I am using here one class, that is string utils, and that class is present in the jar string utils lang this org.apache.commerce.lang3. So we need to add the jar required for this program. So that jar I have kept here in the directory java examples.jars. Okay, so under I need to give this jar. So how we are going to run this? I'll just close this extra command prompt. Okay, Now copy this, close this also, and open the new command prompt here. Just you need to type a cmd and it will open in that. Now we will try to run the command. We will try to compile this, the new example that you are doing. There is example 1 with external jar.java. So if you just enter the initial with the tab, it will come. Now when we will try to run this, when we will try to compile this, we will get the error as we have not added the external jar. We will first try to compile this without giving anything, without setting any class path. Now you are able to see that it's saying error at this string utility. It's not able to identify, or you can say resolve that class. So we are getting the error in the compilation, and you are able to see that there is no .class file created. That means the compilation is failed. Now we will give the class path for that jar. So what we will do, we will just put javac hyphen cp. cp is for the class path, and I will give the jar name. This is the jar name which I have given, semicolon, and I will give the name of class. Okay, so what I did, I'm using javac command as I'm trying to compile the class. I'm using hyphen cp command, and I have specified the fully qualified name of the jar, the complete path for the jar, and after that the class name which I would like to compile. Now we did not get any error here, and as you are able to see, the .class file is also created. So we could successfully compile this class, and the .class file is created. Now we would like to run this. So to run, we just need to use java command, and because we have the dependency on that jar, so we need to add that jar during the runtime also. And I'll specify the name of that class. We do not need to put any .class or .java file there, and I will try to run. Now you are able to see that the message from this file. Okay, here what we did, we just set the class path to the jar file. Now what if we have the multiple jars in that? So in that also, instead of specifying the exact name of that jar, we can specify the folder, and we will just try here javac. Now instead of specifying the name of the jar, I'm using asterisk. At asterisk means it will contain it will add all the jars from that folder to the class path. So I forgot to add hyphen cp. And we will try to run this. Okay. Okay, so here also we could compile that class, and if you see the .jar class file is the time, just it's the latest time it's showing. So it means we could compile that class successfully with the second approach also. So now we will run that class java hyphen cp, the same class path we need to provide here, the asterisk, and the name of the class which we would like to run. Now we can see that the class, the name of whatever the output we were expecting, we are getting that. Second thing, what we can do, we can use the command set class path also, because you are able to see that every time we need to provide the jar location, and we need to add all the jars using the command hyphen cp. We will set the class path instead of using hyphen cp command, because if you are using cp, you need to add every time while compiling the class and while running that class. So we will just set a class path. So we have added all the jars under this jar folder that will be added to the class path. Now we'll try to compile this using javac command. We did not get any error. That means this class got successfully compiled. We will run this class now. We do not need to provide any .java or .class while compiling, while running, as I said earlier. And here we got the output also. So that's it with this. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.